Sio mwaka mmoja, sio miwili, 5 years. Yeah. Yes. Si namna hiyo? Si namna hiyo? Yeah, haitakuwa rahisi. It will not be easy, my friend. Kuna watu wakawapo wamedanganywa kwa mitandao, they think it will not be easy, it will be very rough. It will be extremely rough. Ambia ulileta barabara gani hapa ukiwa vice president? And you know, for like my brother Kalonzo, he was vice president of a very honorable man called Mwai Kibaki. Isn't it? Very empowering, he's not insecure. If he wanted to assist us siku ile, angetusukumia mambo mengi sana. Na wale wengine pia. Hata wale wengine. So, mimi nataka nikomee hapa, na mimi nawapenda, na mimi najua tutaweka resolution huko mwisho, lakini one of the resolutions, munipatie report ya kupatia rais. Kama mungetaka kufanya kazi na yeye ama hamtaki mambo yake. Sindio? Because we cannot force issues. We can't force ourselves. Isn't it? Na kama mungetaka atembee ama asitembee, hiyo mambo yote tutaamua, ndio niende nimpelekee report. Si namna hiyo? Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Mimi, I'm available at your disposal. I know there are things we can't speak here. There are things we are following up on for every county to make sure there is equitable access to public appointments and other things that help us build national unity. Will as many of that opinion say aye? Those of a contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it. Let us take a break. We resume at 12:45 after lunch. But first, do 20 minutes consultations on the 5 priorities